Welcome to Chicken Diaries for today, September 30th, 2025. And it's time for the ladies to go on home and eat their dinner. Come on, girls. While their best friend Kevin is out. It's a good time. Hello, everybody. Like my hat. Let's go, girls. Oh. Almost stuck the chicken food out as the camera. Good girls. You're looking great today, Panther. Memphis Belle. Red Baroness. I was worried about you the other week. Or the other day, really. She didn't look like herself. Okay. Now you go. Now you know what to do. Hey, let me keep up. And first in is... Whoa, is any of them going to go in? Go in. Who's going to go in first? You, or you? It's going to be... Go on. Red Baroness. Red Baroness comes first. Second place, Panther. And Memphis Belle in third. Almost, yep, now she's in third. Alright, ladies. Oh, you're hungry, aren't you? You can tell. Food's down. Good girls. Get some nice cantaloupe into yours. I love cantaloupe. I know they call it rock melon, but I call it cantaloupe. You agree, don't you, Panther? Laid any eggs for me today? No. Oh, your lady's gone on a strike. You can lay an egg for me now. Good girls. Alright. So, they're fed. Happily fed. No eggs. That wraps today up. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time. Bye for now.